video, I'm going to demonstrate slow motion KTBL, which is knit through the back loop. I'm sure you're here because you came up to it in a pattern and you want me to get to it and show you how to do it. Let's go slow-mo. Here we go. I'm in the middle of a row, and the first thing I'm going to do is work a knit stitch the regular way, so you can see the difference between regular knit and KTBL. So we go into the front loop of the stitch, wrap it and pull it through. That's a regular knit stitch. So a KTBL, knitting through the back loop, it's the same thing except for our needle goes in behind the needle on the left-hand needle into the back loop of the stitch. It's really the same loop, but it's the back part of the loop into the back of the stitch. Wrap it and pull it through like any other knit stitch. Back of the stitch, wrap it and pull it through. And here is one in regular speed. That's it. And that's it. I hope that helps. So you get back to your knitting. Good luck.